you're at home now, you can utilize this time to learn some new skills and get ready for future. Even though if you are entrepreneur, business owner, or somebody is new and you want to get started, then you can use this time in more productive way by mastering top 5 skills, which I'm going to discuss about this video. Can take your game to next level, take your business on digital transformation, or you're in job also, there will be more weightage in your job. Or if you are someone who are just sitting at home not doing anything, you can learn those skills and get ready for future. Within 30 days, 60 days, you can start earning money as well as you can get ready for future. Alright, so this is the very important video I'm going to discuss about that. You can't miss this video in any situation. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the bell button and subscribe. Alright, so now first of all, let me talk about, there is some skill sets criteria which you can learn. There is some basic requirements, or I can say anybody can learn, but let me share some basic criteria which you need to think about, or which you need to consider. The first thing, if you can let me share my screen. If you can see my screen, first is learn from home, right? Because that's how exactly e-learning industry is booming. You can learn from home any skill which you want, health, wealth, business growth, anything you can learn from home. That is, you no need to go anywhere. You can learn from that. That is the criteria which most of the people already follow that. Second is the value skill set for immediate impact. Now let me tell you, my friend, now we need the skill which can impact immediately on your job, business, or if you are somebody is getting to start, because we don't have that much time to years, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 months, right? We need to learn something that which can help us to be within 30 days, 60 days, 90 days maximum, right? If you are with me, just type in comment box with me. But that's how exactly world is going on, right? Because that's how exactly I'm doing, and I'm going to discuss about more detail in this video. Third thing is that no need to go for any seminar or school. So because before, whenever we with this lockdown or this corona situation, we used to go for webinars, seminar, seminar, offline seminar or one-to-one, basically in physical location. But now no need to go. You can learn from your home by attending webinars, online schools, or online learning that I'm also teaching, that you can learn from your home, comfort of your home, without risking your life. And fourth, my friend, fourth criteria is learn as per your time and interest. That is the beauty of these online learning platforms. You can learn as per your time, as per your interest, anytime. Those are some criteria. So now that is the important. I hope this is very important and everyone is focused on that part. Now let's talk about important skills which can help you to use this time during lockdown and get ready for the future, for your business, your life, and your job. That is going to help all the people who are ready for future. All right, my friend. The first skill. Let's talk about the first skill without any further delay. First thing is the software development, my friend. Software development, coding, then scripting, as well as automation, robotics. Because now just imagine, because this corona situation, business or job also, people are looking for more, I can say more future ready skills or future ready technologies for in business also. Software development, they can develop new softwares, new coding, so that people can operate business from anywhere in the world, as well as create some coding solution which can fight against a lot of challenges, a lot of viruses, and that how exactly software development is very booming, and that is a bright future. Second part is automation, like how you can use automation in your business, like marketing automation, sales automation, and every area, like value delivery, and I'm really good at that because that exactly I'm teaching in my courses also. And robotics, because now we need to maintain social distancing, right? Also we need to maintain distance, so people and companies will prefer the robotics and technologies, because now if you can see, now business structure is changing. We need to adopt those. People who adopt those business structure as per new curve situation are going to survive in upcoming future. So that is the important part I wanted to share with you in this first skill is business structure will change, right? If you agree with that with me on this point, because I'm coaching a lot of clients and consulting people who are offline, they are coming online completely. And even though in future also in your marketing, sales, value delivery, we need to adopt those skills. So first thing is software development, automation, robotics is booming. If you are there, you can learn those skills. Even if you are someone in job, that is going to help you, because once this situation becomes normal, you might get hired quickly, or also you might grow in your job also. So this is the thing first is very important. Now let's talk about the second part. Second skill is digital marketing skill, digital growth a consultant, because I am teaching in my business. That is one of the very important skills. I help other entrepreneurs. So basically you can learn these skills, digital marketing skills. And you know, the people are in offline, like restaurant, offline business, street business, cloth business, mobile business, anyone. Just imagine gym business. You need to come online. If you really want to reach more people, impact more people worldwide, or in even India also, if you want to reach more people and sell your products, good services, coaching, then you need to learn this skill like social media for building your presence, traffic generation like Facebook ads and other things. You can learn those skills, as well as funnel building, like how you can build your webinar funnel, start selling through webinars, and like your online selling product as well. If you can sell your online product in digital format, that is the important. And we need to restructure our business model. If you are, even though you know a lot of my clients are having, some of them adopted those skills or those trends very early, but now this is the time we need to think seriously. That's how exactly you can take our business direction, right? So that is important part. Now let me tell you, my friend, business restructure is very important. We need to collaborate, we need to adopt these things in your business, right? If you agree, what do you think about this? How are you going to restructure your business? Share your all detailed comments below. I will personally review and respond back to you. So digital marketing skill, you can learn more about that. Now third skill, online sales and customer acquisition. Very important, my friend, very important. Now if you have the physical team, or you are somebody, know this, we can just do like online, like offline selling, one-to-one selling, or visiting client sites. That is now transforming, my friend. That is changing. So you need to master this online selling skill, customer acquisition. In my business, I'm doing through webinar selling or one-to-one consulting through Zoom app. And that's how exactly I do group coaching through completely online. Even though if you are somebody offline business, still you can have remote sales team. They can work from comfort of their home. Still they can sell through the phone as well as Zoom and online platform. In case if you are in job, if you are developing this skill, still you will be getting hired because you know these skills, how to sell online, how to close the deals online. That is, so you will be getting more weightage in your job as well. You can in your profile, in your business as well. As you can use Zoom platform, Zoom, and there are many other platforms you can use that. So online sales and customer acquisition. Fourth skill, my friend, fourth skill, very important. Any business, because one of my mentors says traffic is the lifeblood of business. You can master this fourth skill, online traffic generation, like using Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube, and many other platforms like blogs, organic SEO, and even though you can learn that skills. I teach Facebook traffic, and it's very important part because now Facebook is playing big role in business now. You can learn those skills by how you can generate traffic through Facebook and other platforms so that you can get leads and you can do the sales your products, sales your services, sales your online coaching programs, sell your online info products. That's how exactly you can do, because I'm being a digital coach, I'm doing that. So you can learn online traffic skills. Four skills, very important, my friend, very important friend. If you are learning, amazing, my friend. So now let's talk about the fifth skill. The fifth skill is all about project management and team management. Now you might be having before, if you are somebody in offline business and you are having team and going on project, but now it's difficult because we are giving, a lot of people are giving work from home, right? Work from home now is going on. So it's difficult to manage your team, project. But there is a better solution. You can use a lot of online platform, like there are many online platforms. You can use online platforms. You can have virtual meetings, as well as you can use allocate your team some virtual work so that you can use this project and team management easily. You can do more research on Google on how you can project management apps. There are a lot of tools and platforms available. You can do that easily. So my friend, these are some skills. There are many skills but I'm talking about. These are the skills you can learn immediately and impact in your business and job immediately, because this is the how future. We need immediate outcome. We don't have that much sufficient time. So these are the skills like software development, automation, robotics, digital marketing skills, online sales and customer acquisition skill, like you can sell through webinar, one-to-one consulting funnels. If you know how to sell, how to build your online funnels, then you can make positive cash flow. Then online traffic generation like Facebook, YouTube and other platforms, you can do that, learn and implement that. I coach that in my programs. There will be more details below in this video. Fifth is team and project management. Very important. You can learn these skills, you will be getting more weightage in your business. You can get ready for future, my friends. I hope this was really value added and you learn something new. But my friend, this is a serious stuff. For action taker, this is going to help you. All right. So now, my friend, these are the you can learn from your comfort of home. Get ready for the future. This is the time you can learn. And in case you need any help, you can check more details below this video and shout out to me. I am there to help you on your journey. Now I have amazing gift for you. Amazing gift for you. So now, if you are someone who want to learn more about that, get in touch with me. If you need my hands on that, I'm inviting you to my upcoming webinar, free online masterclass. Here is the link. If you can see on the screen, here is the link like dattachole.co/digital growth, and that is going to help you. Really amazing. I do live webinars. Also, there will be email. You can email me, and that's how exactly these are the top 5 skills you can learn while you're at home during lockdown and get ready for future. What do you think about this? Share your detailed comments below in this comment box. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, please help me to reach more people, and this tough time, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button and share with your top friend, like make it viral share on your WhatsApp, wherever you can share. That's how exactly you'll be contributing in your friend's life. All right, my friends. So that's it for today. Stay home, stay safe, and see you in the upcoming video with golden nugget like that. All right. So signing off for today. Thank you very much for watching this video.